I think the meeting had come. So I step back a bit. So I'm with you. I'm about to do some introduction.
So Chibeze is a climate activist. He is from the Strategic Youth Network for Development from Ghana, and he is actively working on various levels to mobilize the young people and to build their capacities. So Chibeze, we covered most of the content, but unfortunately we are short of time now. So I would like to ask you to maybe sum up your experience in a minute or so, and so that we can close the session. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Would you like to say something?
Okay, no, I thought you were going to ask me some questions. That's why I'm waiting for.
Okay, no, so we actually discussed about the roadmap or the suggested roadmap that you think we can attain to have green energy from the point of view of developing countries. So would you like to add some comments to it?
Yes. Okay, so good evening from Ghana, and thank you for this privilege to share some few thoughts on the issue and the discussion. So on that particular issue, I think that what is more crucial for us is that we have a lot of potential in Africa to jump towards the green economy, but a couple of things are quite critical or essential to make that happen. One is about funding, which is very critical to leapfrog into that particular economy. In terms of funding, to make it quite practical and also pragmatic, I think that we can't always depend on the developed countries for funding because they also have their own issues to grapple with. So what I would suggest or propose strongly is that if in Africa, based on the revenues that we are obtaining from our fossil fuel industry, so we can earmark some part of those resources and invest those money into renewable energy development, so that over time we can have our own resources to research and develop our own renewable energy resources. So that would be my first suggestion on that score. And secondly, also the need to build capacity of technicians, of scientists who can be in a better position, to not only to develop or to acquire these technologies, but we want to manage them. So we are guaranteed, or we are sure that we are the right personnel to manage these technologies. So basically, in the interest of time, I'll talk about making conscious effort to put some monies down from the fossil fuel, investments, and then have enough money to develop our own renewable energy sources, and also at the same time also consciously build capacities of personnel to manage that sector. So those would be my two recommendations in the interest of time.
Thank you, Chibeze. I think for developing countries, the point that you mentioned, which is related to the economic issues, is a key. That is a challenge for most of the countries to meet the requirements. And thank you for rightly pointed out on that. I'm so sorry for all the glitches that happened and you were not able to join the session on time. But thank you for your valuable inputs on the discussed issue. With that, I would like to close the session, and the next session is on climate change, the roundtable on climate change, where we'll have again a group of experts and the young panel. So you all can join us on that session. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.